Assam pen Meghalaya hoi alam ki kajepa jujia phanpura Meghalaya pen Assam Chief Minister atumang bong kaching vaya hut give and take policy mate longlei ki pila pen kedeng asai kapin chong ponji bua phuthak kedam tang pai pai ni phai clear ni a hoi along Meghalaya sarkar na ki lura hut kese pen danglok ongdung a hoi along ke dwara ratum thudun paksi khangdun cheklo Lason thotsi pinile thota West Karbi Anglong pen Meghalaya hoi langkeroi pen mokoira mahabaralong ahoi na ke peja phan Meghalaya hin pen ka survey phan wangji pobir talongsi KAC board chairman KSA la pen ahoi long ke dwara tum chelangsi ke pawanglong le deja phan kang hong asai padupon Bangso towara long ke ton laki langkeroi pen mokoiram ke omdum araratum chingrum lo Bangso along board development board chairman Richardson Hanse minority board chairman Agustin Hanse fishery development board chairman Joy Singh Crow KSA Hamren aropi pen danglo Hamren pen municipal board ward commissioner la pen ahoy along ke dwara ratum chitudu
por phai baji ke pen adak border ke dwara tuan setame dak chingrum alang litum pen pini gadakan ahoy anang kate roji polang ke long pen si dak border ke dwara an setame pini chingrum pet pen dak por phai baji ke pen hong si non an setame dak sido bom lang talang litum nang lilang setame non dak tenangan ake the ke ding atum do
Meghalaya ahin pen group of ministers alang litum pu lengang long te West Karbi Anglong ar lu ke bang pen alang tum along long ke lang poni pu alam arjulong asida ke kachar bu alam tabe pe long le ta dake methang hoi dobet bang long le dak na chi yok nun de la si nel tum lan dak thang ta exam ji chi pepin pen exam nin pen du nei polam si nel tum dak kadu we tum ta dolo
request to the government, both the state government, is that your initiative to bring this border issue to a conclusion is very welcome step. But solving border problem does not mean that we will give our land, not in inch. We have border pillars at Khanduli Market, Saitsama, and various other locations as per 1951 Indian Survey demarcation. So we don't want an inch of your land and will not give an inch of our land. Let there be peace within the states of Assam and Meghalaya. There are Khasis staying in Karbi Anglong. They are very much welcome to stay here. We'll provide them with every beneficiary that is available. There are Karbi staying in Meghalaya. We don't want them to march into Karbi Anglong. They are in proper Meghalaya. Let them be. They are voting there for since time immemorial. And they are getting beneficiary also. I hope that this border talks between the state government will come to a positive conclusion.
Kedamtang parokresir kebra phokebra isianinkan jangmia chiklo niphai kreke thom arni Indian Survey atumpen kepachun dekanga tengpensi do thip nangpo laben Meghalaya hinpen Karbi Anglong along le nangke parlo abangki nilitum kroidun thek thipusi board chairman pen ningjepon
aklong along nilitum nang chihumri du neglo seta non puan talang tum wang vela lasi chuningri iglo parokresir kebra phokebra isi April sikro tari kreke thom halabang su Indian Survey atum kapichun tang teng se labang so teng thot se du thip nang po pusin lin menchun riglo lapen Meghalaya na me nilitum Karbi Anglong long le ingchi sinai kap ni tum kroi thek thek lapen nilitum ta Meghalaya long le ingchi sita nilitum ta ende ase ladak do itum kaddo kawe Karbi tum ta me Meghalaya long du tum ta bang du me thak melo lapen panara tum ta Karbi Anglong long na du du me thak melo las
Kedamtang parokresir kebra phokebra isianinkan ahut Indian Survey hinpen Assam lapen Meghalaya state hinia phan aduya hoi plakpon pamilo nasing samjin pen kedu kethak bom ahoy along nangke parlole de jia phansi Meghalaya sarkar phan kachuningi padopon
In 1951, Survey of India have clearly demarcated the boundary within the two states. And what we have found is that the Meghalaya government, the people of Meghalaya have encroached into Assam, Karbi Anglong, and we do not want to. We would like to request the state government of Meghalaya that this should not interfere the peace and peaceful coexistence and the land dispute, land boundary with Assam and Meghalaya. So we request the state government of Meghalaya that the border problems should be solved in a amicable manner, and 1951 is the real demarcations which have been surveyed by the government of India, and it should be settled accordingly.
Halapu West Karbi Anglong pen Meghalaya Hoyalong Kidu Ia Havaralong Meghalaya State Jowai pen ICDS Asaika Mahin pen Ason Kicho Hormuvansi Ialong Truck pen Pasun Ponlo Bonta Ahoy Kido Aratum Aning Kipung Chapaklang Dunsi Truck pen Kapasun Tang Kicho Sondo Anta Uthot Pache Thap Thusi Pache Bontu Deadlo
ke Assam arlo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council arlo along Meghalaya pen lason ningduk meme lason ICDS feeding hormu ladak na kewan nilitum theklong lo lasi nilin bene puje bangke nilitum aphrang ta claim bomlo voter ID kapache boy Meghalaya ID well ID nang nelo palam nilitum than bomlo sta ko kismana dim bangke imithang as a local am ta ke chok chedukok ti pinia son bangke penesi ineng yangje meme son dukolo yo lasi chuning riglo badudum tamne dak am irong phandela pokali ile tumla hoya duilong ke du tum ana bangke la son ISDS feeding lai hu ke wan ayang thua dali pendang lok porothal hai ke wan pendang lok la sela son yong si ile tumong bong la son du pok tangte lana rat phan ke control ko son lo la si nilinen pudiam ye bangke pini pen la son hormung bangke am irong der phan ke lon hok tame hoy long ke do ana dima phan bangke la haya sakuri la haya ISDS pendang lok kachirap ne dati phansin himpen ninga klong manchuning riponik lok
Lang Hempi pen Birsing Tiso Karbi Anglong Live